Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how applications actually run in production. Today's topic, how to deploy a pod to Kubernetes. While I wouldn't ever advise you to deploy a pod directly into a live production environment or any environment at all, this is just to show you how Kubernetes pod can be deployed and to give you an understanding into how these things are done. So if you're going to deploy a Kubernetes pod or any Kubernetes object, the most important thing you're going to need is your Kubernetes manifest, which is a YAML script or a YAML file that has all the instructions for deploying a pod. It lists out everything declaratively. So if I'm deploying my Kubernetes pod, for instance, I'm going to create my Kubernetes manifest. I'm going to set the API version and also set the kind. Then I'm going to put some metadata. And then I'll go to the spec and put in the spec of my pod. Notice how I'm putting my containers. And there I have my Kubernetes manifest. The next thing to do is to deploy this manifest, and I'm going to do this using the kubectl command. Your kubectl command is very important if you're interacting with your Kubernetes cluster. Kubectl is a tool, the CLI tool, for interacting with your Kubernetes clusters. With kubectl, you can perform any action on your Kubernetes cluster. Like here, for instance, I'm going to use the kubectl apply, and I'm going to apply my file to my cluster. And just like that, I have a pod running in my cluster. And this is how you deploy a Kubernetes pod to your cluster. See you in the next one.